Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert video in Capcut. After you import your video to the Capcut and then you want to insert another video to your edit, you can click everywhere but the video, and you got to choose the part that you want to insert new video. You can choose the first part or the end part like this. And after that you can choose this button, and select the videos that you want to insert to your edit. I'm choosing this video. Just click on the circle and click add. Alright, okay, and then the new video has been inserted to your edit. And okay guys, that's how we can insert video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.